Hi guys, if you are trying to change the Google Docs page color and if it is not changing, then let's see how to fix this issue. So here is the first method. For the example, here you can see I am trying to change the color of this page, but only the color of page margin is changing, but not the color of whole page. Here you can see the color behind text is still white. If you are also experiencing the same issue, then let's see how to fix it. So for that, first of all, go to File, click on Page Setup, and on the Page Setup dialog box, from the Apply to section, make sure the whole document is selected, and then click on the page color. And from the color options, simply select the page color which you want for your Google Docs page. Let's say I want this light green color, so I will simply select it. Here you can see this is the selected page color. Once you select the page color, simply click on OK. And now you will see that only the color of page margin has changed, but not the color of whole page. And the color behind the text is still white. So to fix this issue, simply press the Ctrl plus A key together on your keyboard and then go to Format section, click on Paragraph Styles and then click on Borders and Shading option. And now on the Borders and Shading dialog box, click on the background color option. Here it is. And now from the color options, simply select the same color which you have selected in the page setup. Here you can see in the page setup, we have selected this light green color, which is this color. So here we will select this color as well. And once you have selected the same background color and page color, simply click on the Apply button. And now you can see the Google Docs page color has been completely changed. You can see. So this is how you can easily fix the Google Docs page color not changing issue. Now let's see the next method. While changing the Google Docs page color, if you are experiencing issue like this, where the color of page margin is changing and text background is also changing, but there are white spaces between paragraphs. So if you want to fix this issue, then let's see how to do it. So for that, simply press the Ctrl plus A key together on your keyboard and then go to the Format section, click on Paragraph Style and then click on Borders and Shading option. And now on the Borders and Shading dialog box, you will see the Reset option. Simply click on it and then click on Apply button. And the Google Docs page color not changing problem will be fixed. You can see all the white spaces between paragraphs has been removed, and now your Google Docs page has a nice background color. And now if you want to set a different page color, for that simply go to the File section, click on Page Setup, and on the Page Setup dialog box, click on the page color, and from the color options here, select any color you want. Let's say I want to select this light blue color, so I will simply select it. And once you have selected the page color, simply click on OK button. And the Google Docs page color will be changed. You can see. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily fix Google Docs page color not changing issue. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.